Well, I have inserted this plug into the slot and my scooter is in charging state and it shows range of 103 and it's in solid green state. And let's see how much time it will take. So the reason why I'm making this video is to show how to remove this plug out from the slot. It's a complicated task. So to remove this plug from the slot, you need to just pull this brake, and along with that you need to press this button. Yes, you hear this. Now you can easily remove this because there are no tutorials and no troubleshooting steps as to show how to remove this, but now that is the way you can remove it. So that's all. Thank you.